So in this video we will see how can write in a file using Python. So let's see how to write. So basically there are two modes of writing in a file using Python. First mode is write mode and second mode is append mode. So write mode, what actually it did, it will delete old data, old content and overwrite new content. And append means it will append the content at the end of file content. It will not delete old data. It will just append new content at the end of old content. So you're understanding it using code example. Like I am opening the file which I want to in which I want to write. So this is my file. Hello, how are you? So I am taking this here and let's check. Wait a second. So actually I am enabling a extension. After this I can float the this text window in while browsing. So that is why. So let's I am enabling the extension. So as this extension is not making my text file floating in browsing window, so I'm not able. I will check this out which extension will be useful here. So let's open a file, intro.txt, intro.txt as f in with block and there is colon. Now I want to write, so just f dot write. So when we open a file, just this I am making a very specific point. It is very important point. Whenever we first time open a file, when we open a file, our pointing, I want to w r plus mode means I am reading and writing mode. So whenever we open a file in read and read only format and write format, so our pointing will be at start here. Our pointing will be at start. So our pointer will be here. So it will start writing or reading from here. It will read this and then it will read this. After this, if we call after pointer reaching the here, after if pointer is here and if we call if we want to read again, so it will read nothing because after this there is nothing. So let's so so here you can understand that our pointer at the start of file content in file. So if we want to write what I want to write, my name is RIP. So this is my name and I want to write this name and just execute it. So it will automatically close the file. So let's see what the file is. Now here you can see. Now file become my name is RIPU. And before this it was like hello how are you. So so here you can see why it written you here. So there will be some mistake because I executed some more code as well. So it will write my name is you. Again I execute this again. So it again check this file. Now you can see my name is Rip, and then why it is writing you, you do not have to write you. So let closing, I'm closing this as well, and then restarting this, restarting and run over. Now what it will write, we have to see. So now let's again open this file. It is again my name is you. What happened to him? Before this it have to overwrite. Why it is not overwriting? So it is not overwriting because you can see here, before this, like again they before again I am writing something else. I am writing here p p p p, four time p. Now let's check this out. Again opening this file into dot. Now you can see p p p p and name. So it start, before this it was here, so it start writing ppp four times from here, so it here write p p p p. So till this it wrote p and then remain is same. It override the old content, new content on old content. So it works like this. So if we don't want that our file work like this, so to do this, how we can do this? So to do this, we use append method. It has been closed now. You can see f.close check because with k take care about it is closed, to close the file after performing operation, because we are now out of with log, it automatically close the file. So we want to append the file, not we want to override the file, override the content on old content. So for this we can open the file in append. So this is, we can open the file in append mode. So for to open the file in append mode, use a keyword or a character to append. So we, what I want to append, I want to append is first is next line, then how are you, how are you, how are you, how are you. Now let's see, now let's see what is our file. Now you can see before this this it was it. Now after appending, so what we appended a next line character, so it came goes to next line, then it wrote how are you. So this is how append and write method works. So sometime people confuse between that. Again I am, it is closed, again opening this file. People confused that I write how are you, then again I write f dot write. So it has to start from, people confuse, I am writing again, so it has to start from start from beginning of the content, and it has to override all these. So just I want to k and this. So many people say that it first it will write append. Sorry, I have to sorry, it is actually I have to open it and to explain in right mode to explain what I was want to say. So actually now you can see this is my content. This is my content. And after this, what will happen? I after opening write mode. So f dot write I am using two time. So someone will say that it will start writing slash n. How are you? And again it will start writing k. So they should be k, then k k k k. So this was like our file will be like eYOU. So it will be not like this because now again open the file because location of pointer also matter. So it is next line. How are you? K. It will append if we are working with opened file. After closing the file, it will start. Pointer will be here. After writing something, after writing some content, it pointer is here. Now again it again if I want if we are writing, so our pointing start writing from this location. So it is writing from here. So you have to remember this thing. So I think you understood that you how what is right and what is append and why write delete old data because location of pointer matter, and when we open the file in append method, pointer will be at end of the content old content, and it will start writing from end of old content. This is the difference between write and append. So in next video we will see more operations, writing and reading operations in Python. So thanks for watching.